Okay, now we're taking a look at page 121, Harmonization, example 1E. In this example, we're just going to be playing left-hand chords here. Really simple. And so they've already given us the chords here. In this case, they've given us the lead sheet symbol. We'll go in and we'll translate those into Roman numerals. So F major is the key, so that's a 1 chord. Then it goes to a 5-7 chord, and we'll be doing a 5-6-5 inversion. First inversion. Then it goes to G minor, that's a 2 chord. We're going to do this in root position, that's a minor 2 chord. Then it goes back to the 5-6-5, then back to 1 in root position. Measure 5, 1. A minor is the 3 chord. And the 3 chord we're going to be doing in the 6-4 inversion, second inversion. Then we go to B flat major, which is the 4 chord. We're also going to be doing this in the 6-4 inversion. Then we go back to G minor, which is the 2 chord in root position, the C7, which is the 5-6-5 chord, first inversion, and back to the 1 chord. Okay. So now we can even notate this to give you an idea of what these chords look like. Okay, and I'll just notate over the staff here. So we have here the 1 chord, an example of the 5-6-5 chord. You see the E, the B flat, and the C. That's the C7 over E. Now, for the 2 chord, that's this right here. That's the 2 chord right here. We have G, B flat, and D. That's G minor. That's the 2 chord. We also have the 3 chord to play. The 3 chord is going to be spelled thusly. We'll have an E, an A, and a C. Like this, EAC. That's going to be the 3 chord. Second inversion, otherwise known as A minor over E. And last but not least, we have the 4 chord. The 4 chord will be spelled like this: F, B flat, and D. And that's the 4 chord. It's also in the 6-4 inversion. And this is B flat over F is the lead sheet symbol. Okay? So before we play this as written, let's just go through the chords together. So we have the 1 chord. Okay? And then let's try the 3-6-4 chord, which is E, A, C. So you just move your 5th finger down to E. That's a 3 chord. Now let's try the 5-6-5, E, B flat, C. And now let's try the 2 chord, G minor, G, B flat, D. And then try the 4 chord, F, B flat, D. And those are your chords. Okay? So now we're going to try it very slowly, just the left hand. And notice the rhythm here. We're playing on the downbeat and the 3rd beat. We're resting on beats 2 and 3. Okay? Here we go. I'm going full 4 time. 1, 2, 1 chord. Here we go. 1 chord. And 2, and again. Then we go to the 5-6-5, E, B flat, C. Again. And now to G minor, G, B flat, D. And then back to the 5-6-5, E, B flat, C. And back to the 1 chord, F, A, C. And 2, and again. Measure 5, same thing again. F major. And now to A minor, E, A, C. And then to B flat, F, B flat, D. And the G minor, G, B flat, D. Then to 5-6-5, E, B flat, C. And 2, and again. Then back to the 1 chord. 1 one more time. Okay, so that's the left hand. Okay. Now, let's look at the right hand here. So pretty straightforward. With the right hand, you'll start with second finger on the F because we have this E here, which means you'll have third finger on the G. At that point, go ahead and shift to F position and go to second finger on the G on bar 3. Then the rest of the fingering is going to be just F major position, like this. And I'm just marking the notes where it changes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. Pretty straightforward. Let's try the right hand together in time. 1, 2, and here we go. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and 3. Now go to second finger on G. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and 3, 4. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4. B flat. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that's the right hand. And now we're going to try it together. So left hand starts on an F major triad, F, A, C. Right hand starts second finger on the F. I'm going to go very slowly. 3 E and 4 and 1 E and 2 and again 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. Now G minor, second finger on G, right hand. 1 E and 2. Go back to the 5 chord in the left hand. 3 and back to the 1 chord, F major. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 and still 1 chord. 1 E and 2. Now the 3 chord, which is E, A, C in the left hand. 3 and 4. Now the 4 chord, F, B flat, D. 1 E and 2. And now G minor, G, B flat, D. And 4 and 5 chord, E, B flat, C. 1 E and 2 and 5 chord again. 3